Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a lovely demonstration. Look at how I hold the knife and the lime. I'm peeling it with love, with passion. Look at that. That's how you do it. You don't get caught. You don't mess up. You stay focused. We do it with love and passion. I am demonstrating a easy way, simple way to clean up your chicken, ladies and gentlemen. When you boiled the light skin and the clove, it gave the chickens a pleasant scent. It smelled very delicious and yummy. There are many ingredients that you can boil the water with to make your chicken have a pleasant smell. For example, you can use herb like rosemary, thyme, parsley. You can add garlic skin, any other herb that you have available you can use. Vinegar is optional as long you have salt. Salt is the best ingredient that helps remove the blood and the skin of the chicken. Remove the skin is optional too. Some people love the skin. Now it's time to massage your chicken with some lime and salt to eliminate the fishy smell. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to massage your chicken with love and passion. You have to show love while you're doing it. Oh my goodness. Hot water helps remove any remaining blood and fat of the chicken. Be careful. This step, you need to be careful with the hot water, okay? I call this step purification. The chicken is pure now. This is so funny. Look at it, look at it. You see all the fat melt. Oh my goodness, this chicken smells so good, so yummy. How you spell yummy again? Give me a Y U M M Y, yummy. Now you can season your chicken, add your epice, your seasoning. Thank you everyone for your support. Please subscribe and share. Love you all.